Obviously, one of the things you're going to have to do during the delivery phase of the sale, and maybe even during the sale itself, is to demonstrate how to put the top down. Here's how it's done. Release the locking handles on the left and right side of the roof, just above the windshield. Press the top switch toward the down position just long enough to raise the roof slightly. Close the locking handles and then zip open the rear window. You'll find the flexible window drops naturally into the roof storage space behind the rear seat. Be sure that the window lies flat so as to avoid creasing. Now, depress the top switch and hold it until the roof is entirely open. The top cover or boot is stored in the trunk in its own special bag. Lay the cover over the recessed top and snap it down. You might want to begin with the snaps on the inside and then work your way around to the other. Once the cover is snapped on, tuck in the flap behind the rear seat and you're ready to go. It's really as simple as it looks.